a Kinder Surprise egg with blind bags in it. I'm a bunny. Okay, let's get started. I like this little fingers. Yummy, yummy. Yum, yum. Buddy, what are you eating? I see something. Inside. Eggy baby. I do not know what these are. Surprise egg on another blind bag. A mermaid. You said I never had it there, and you promised, didn't you? I'm happy. I got assistants here that are going to help me do every single blind bags, and they're going to help me now. This is Kitty Cat, and this is Mickey Michelangelo. Hi guys. I got glasses. Hi, I'm gonna open this one up. Oh, Zilfs. I love Zilfs. I'm gonna ask one of my assistants to help me. Oh great, thank you. I'll do the rest. Oh yay! I love this one. Twitch it. I'm going to open this one. Zombie City. I don't like Zombie City. Zombie City. We're joking. Zombies. Ow. Whoa! They're super squishy and super big. They're not squishy. Bubble. Can't come off. Bubble, 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 bubble. I'm gonna open it. I'm not seeing that one. This one.
Go!
It's a Kinder Surprise egg. It's a Spider-Man. There's chocolate! Yay! More chocolate. Now I am What'd you get? What'd you get? What'd you get? Ooh, a rubber. That's amazing. A rubber. Do you want me to help you open it? Come around slow. Okay, I'll open it. Mommy. Can I help? I like this one. And then I'll turn rough. Thanks, Kitty Cat. She's really cute. Oh, she smells delicious. Well, chocolate on here and strawberry on here. I smell it changes color in the water. Even it's plain on it. It's a frozen egg. Found it. Candy! Jelly bean. And a rubber. And some stickers. Oh, cute. And I'm gonna open this. Zombie City. Zombies! Yeah, if you need help, I can help you. I'm gonna ask one of my neighbors. It's one of my neighbors. It's one of my neighbors. I'll put it in the bin. Oh, that one's really cute. Can I see it real cute? It does not even look like disgusting. Look, it's really cute. And I'll show it. Cool. Oh, that one's really cute. This one does not look like disgusting. This one. It's this stuff. Two. Let's look in the doggy. Okay. I'm going to choose the frozen Kinder Egg. Chocolate. Alpha. And I'm opening eeny, meeny, miny, mo. That's it. This is actually not a rubber. Open. What do you get? What do you get? Ooh, yes. Chain with Dusty on it. A chain with Dusty on it. You're gonna get a nice card with it. A nice little card. Sorry. Here's the card. Oh, I got bits of Dusty on. And I got this Kinder. And I got. Bill. And this bit makes it moves its head. I'm going to choose this ball. Cat opening. And some candy.
Cool.
And a sticker.
Oh, that's really cute.
And what you can get. Look at that. That's it. That's nice. And this one. He got another Spider-Man. What? No. It's Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. Thank you. I got this. So cute. That's the angry. And I got this. And it's a little pencil rubber. Some rubber. Got my last one, so I can't choose. Kinder egg, and let's smash it. Done. I got a card. Yes, it's a card. Let's take it the tiger. Jelly beans. Ooh,
And he got a notepad.
a
What is
little
it?
notepad.
What George one?
Of sorts. Where's the pea? Star Wars egg. Star Wars. Candy. With a magnet. And some stickers on instructions. That's it. Show them now. Okay, you want to show them? What am I doing this? Well, look this one. Well, you got look all the Googles. Now it's time for questions and answers. Since this is my first video, I don't have any questions yet. But I would love you to ask me some questions in the comments.
So,
And I'll answer them in my next video. Bye! I'm a Bugs Bunny Bun. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching that video. I can't say that word. Subscribe. It's the picture. Subscribe. I love you, YouTube. And thank you, Mommy, for making me a big, huge Kinder Egg.